tell us a little bit about the cleaning supplies you have. I see some there.
So cleaning. I always joke that I'm the fanciest hippie you know. I love natural products because I don't want harsh chemicals. I don't like the smells, but I actually want to get a product that's going to get the job done. So Rejuvenate has come out with this new line for your floors, and I don't know about you, but my floors take a beating. I know obviously in Ohio that weather's coming, so you're going to want to clean those floors a lot more. So they have a formula for stone, tile, and laminate, and also for your hardwood. And I love it because it's strong enough, it's going to get the job done, but it's gentle enough you can use when your pets are around, like my animal up here, my kids playing Legos. Rejuvenate has this green hybrid technology. So what that means is they use a plant-based instead of most natural cleaners use soap. Soap leaves behind streaks. Streaks attracts more dirt. You're cleaning more. No, thank you. I'll take the green hybrid technology natural cleaner because you're cleaning less and you're getting things clean without all those harsh chemicals or smells. As you can see, James really loves it because he's still sleeping up there.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.